confirm scope and choose group ledger. This is basically on our CBC tenant, where we were doing the project creation, we were doing the scoping and selecting the ledger, which means it's a part of the scoping itself. So better I will open the system and keep, so that if anything comes, I can, so this is talking about the deployment target, selecting the deployment target. The deployment target is where SAP Central Business Configuration will activate the business processes. Each project should be connected to one of the two SAP S/4HANA Cloud Starter System tenant. So basically, the customizing and development. So for example, if you remember, when I showed the project, we have ZaranTech 1 and customizing. Both are deployed. One is deployed with the customizing tenant, and the another one is deployed with the development tenant. So that is of the starter system. So I can show you getting into the deployment target. So this is the case of a ZaranTech 1. So this is the URL. I think I explained about this URL. This is the development tenant. If you, for example, if we go here, development URL is 415120. So this is
Did we get any update from SAP regarding deletion of this project?
Yes, I think I explained about that. Let me get into that. So SAP said it's not possible to delete once the scope as well as the milestones are confirmed. So what they did, I asked for a training system. So they gave a practical. It's like step by step. SAP will guide you what to do next. You need to click on that and go ahead and create. I'm just going into that URL and I can share it with you. So what SAP proposed was, SAP proposed this URL. I will just show you how this URL work, and then I'll share it with you. So this is a trainer session. Practically, this will be available for all the SAP people if any new project is released. So here, it will tell you how to, define a scope. Getting started with the CBC. So these are not the one we wanted to go with. The implementation activities. First is define a scope. So it will take you like this. There will be a this long option, and you have to. This is a 5-minute session. There is also a PDF document available. So click on the start tutorial. It will take you to learn more about how a project manager or a key user defines the capabilities of their solution. Follow this interactive tutorial. So you can try it out just like clicking on that. So first activity is you define your scope in scope and organizational structure phase at the beginning of your implementation. So we are in the implementation part of a project, though the project type is this project type is implementation type. And to start, you have to click on open. I clicked on open, and it says in define scope, start by selecting your sector and up to 5 countries or region. Alternatively, if you have already pre-selected your scope in the digital discovery assessment for SAP S/4HANA Cloud, you can choose import scope from JSON file to import the scope exported from the DDA. So basically what it says is, I told you we have JSON file available. We can use that to import, or else you can directly select the sector. Let's say you can select. So you have to press this one. Then only it will be allowing us to select. So either public, so it's already selected private. Now it says you have to read what it is saying. Then select your countries slash region. For example, enter USA. So say suppose I enter I need to, as I said, first you have to follow this. Then only it will allow. Then press enter. So it came up with the USA option. So you can select that. If you want, you can enter as per what it is mentioned, we need to follow. So enter Germany and press enter. So it'll come up with the selection option for Germany. Now, next step is save. So what we selected the sector as well as the country or region. We can select at least 5 of them, but in our case, we are just selecting only 2 and click save. So the next step, it says in a 3 system landscape, you can choose select language to specify additional language that will be used in SAP S/4HANA Cloud. This is only problem with this is we can't go up to our wish. It will take you through the step by step, every step possible. So I selected that and it is asking me to add the bundles. So I am adding the bundle. Okay. To check, I will stop here. The remaining you can try it out. I will share the URL with you.
Yeah. Okay.
So when you try, if you face any problem, let me know. I can help you completing this step.
Sure.
So this is about selecting the deployment target. That I hope you got it. Like when we go, every project will have deployment target option. Initial step, you need to add the deployment option. For us now, right now, it is not possible. That is why I gave that link where at least you can try some example out. And here, if you edit, it is basically allowing us to edit only the name of the deployment target. The remaining are already deployed, so it won't be, it can't be changed. And then let's get back. So where this comes is there is another section in the URL. For example, if I go to overview, you see assign deployment target. This is completed, so we can view that. If say suppose if it is not completed, it will be provide the option like assign in the picture. If I close this, like assign if it is in progress. So that we can do. And now I go back. Where was I? Here. Next is confirm scoping milestone. Now the lead configuration expert can confirm the scoping milestone and wait for the business processes to be activated in the starter system. This may take some time depending on how many countries were selected. So what we do is in this particular, no, I will close this. We don't need. Here, when you define your entire scope, say suppose we don't want to select anything, so we can see all the business processes in the configuration. So all these configurations, say suppose sales, there are 111 sales related things are there. So what will happen if somebody selected 5 countries? It will take a lot more time than if you deploy it into the single single I mean in a single country. So that's the only difference it's talking about. So I will show you that step in here. When I go to overview, I go to scope confirm part. So this is what it is talking about. Then so that's what configure the scope is completed. So here also this is the confirms because we already been deployed. Otherwise, it will be configure the scope will be there. Having said that, we can go on to the next part, specifying the primary finance settings. The evaluation project only allows you to confirm the financial year variant K for calendar year and for special period and group currency USD applied to all the countries and regions. Additional physical year variants are available in the development system tenant. Since we are in the business configuration tenant, we can only do USD. However, if it is in the development, we can have multiple variant of the same, and also you can able to select K4 calendar year as well as for special period and the group currency USD. So that's what you see here. Specify the primary settings, say view. We can't actually edit it. It's already been completed. So you can see that physical year variant is K for calendar year for special periods, and the currency as our USD dollars. Now we are going on to set up the organizational structure. The organizational structure is predefined based on the selected country or region. SAP has a standard numbering and naming structure for organizational entities, and this is pre-populated in the evaluation project. So the data in the starter system will match with the test scripts for each business process you download from the SAP Signavio Process Navigator for best practices for S4HANA Cloud Public Edition solution scenario. So we can go to explore all roadmap. You will have to use this for your future purpose. And then when we come here, say suppose we are in the, as I said, in the explore phase only, we do the fit to standard analysis. This is going to come in the next chapter, but I just want to show you the Signavio navigator. That's why I selected this. And then if I go to the chart of account, the workshop, there is a area to get into the SAP Signavio navigator. Let it load. So this is what it is showing. It is the best practices for SAP S4HANA Cloud Edition. That is what it was showing here. SAP Signavio Process Navigator for best practices for SAP S4HANA Cloud Public Edition solution scenario. So this is the solution scenario. We have our version. This is the latest version, country. And this is applicable to multiple countries. In this case, we have only one country and number of processes 622. New processes. If you click on it, it's not taking us. It's just showing the numbers. Added process 17. So in the new version, which is 2402 version, we have got 15 new processes as part of our release, and whoever the configuration expert or normally business processes are decided by the business process expert. So they added 17 new processes, and delta means the number of new / added solution processes, including deprecated solution processes as well. So we can take a look in the below part. Say suppose we are going to analytics, purchase order, visibility and procurement spend. Underneath, you see accelerators. Accelerators are nothing but help documentations. So we have our test scripts attached here, and test script, Excel is available, so that will have. So basically, that is the accelerator part. Description talks about what is this particular solution process and what are the key processes. So it talks about the scope and what is the process flow, what are the business benefit. Since we are doing analytics on purchase order visibility and procurement spend, 2QU. The benefits are built analytical use case in SAP Analytics cloud based on SAP S4HANA cloud data. Create analytical reports using View browser, and extend and create custom analytical query using CDS View. Custom CDS View using these consumption views. So say suppose if somebody is using this step, they will have to do the custom development because they will have to create some CDS view as part of this process. And extend and create custom CDS view using these views which are consumed by this particular process. And solution component, if you look at it, it is same as SAP S4HANA Cloud Public Edition. Then we go to the country. Okay, this business process has been defined relevant for a lot many countries. Industry relevance, so aerospace and defense, agribusiness, automotive, chemical. In any business area we take, it will have purchase order visibility because every application will sell the uh, sorry, purchase order and procurement spend. So we will get analytics on that. Then next comes the solution capabilities. Here there is an application platform infrastructure and sourcing and procurement. So let's take a look at what is solution capabilities. So this is not taking me anywhere. It is just updating this one. Okay, let's take a look at the sourcing and procurement spend visibility. Let's go here. So this has got sourcing and procurement below procurement analytics under that spend visibility and spend visibility. So mostly this gives the spend, how much I might have spoke about it many times. Spend visibility, if you have, then in the future, if you take any decision, you will look at the spend and we can see what are the unnecessary spend we did, and we can avoid that, and we can make more efficient spending. So that's about this thing. While you can add additional organizational org entities, we don't recommend it because the starter system should align as closely as possible with the test script. The partner line of business configuration experts use these test scripts to demonstrate each business process in fit to standard workshop. So this is clear, right? We have test scripts. So we will not recommend adding additional org unit because of this test scripts available. And then we can go on to the next thing. So how do we set up an organizational structure, which I showed in this system here. I can't right now do anything, but I can edit the existing one. So I don't think ZaranTech 1 has anything. So we can actually create from our side, right? We don't have. So let's create first as the company code. Okay. So company code ID. Okay. You can tell me some examples. We can set it up.
Yeah, you can write it on 1000.
Okay. 1000. And name also.
1,000.
Oh, 1000. Sorry. 1000 and 1000. Country by default is selected. Company we can select, say, let's say, or do you want to create a company for that? Okay, let's create
Yeah,
a.
yes.
Yeah, we gonna
Hey,
create a. Do you want to do this, or because this is the only option we can do it?
yeah, you can write down 1000 and the name as AYC.
AYC. Okay, and country we can only
Mhm.
use US. Yes, so the thing is, the last two characters of the ID should be alphabetic. So 1000, I will say 10 A by C. Is that okay?
I mean, 1000 AYC.
Um,
It allows.
that's my doubt. It allows only AY. That's okay, right? 1000 AY.
Okay.
So I created the company. First, I created the I tried to create the company code, but it required a company as normal as possible. So now the company is created. We can select that particular company for your scenario. And then we don't need to provide the address and just create the company code. So the last two characters of the, okay, let's give it same as a ID. Name I can give AYC 1000 AYC.
Or else only AYC is fine. ID.
Yeah, that's also fine. AYC is fine.
Yeah.
And I try to do a create. So that is okay. It is getting created. So we created the company code with the company 1000 AYC. Our company code is AYC, just AYC alone. And the next step is we are not yet to confirm. We need to go. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's confirm. Once an organizational unit is created, you cannot delete it. Okay. So select this. If I confirm it, 1 second. Let me go here. Yeah, this is the next is the purchasing organization. So we can select AYC as our purchasing organization. AYC1, we can have multiple. So AYC New York, and the company code is our company code. So one purchasing organization is created. Last, okay, 1000 A. Okay. So this will be like 1000. Sorry, let's give it as 1000. Oh, last two characters should be alphanumeric. So AY. I'm going to create one. So here the sales organization part will be updated. Sorry, purchase organization part will be updated. So we have got in this scenario, if you look at we have two purchasing organization, one we created and one for 1710. That is a standard one they created for the customizing. Now let's move on and create the distribution channel. So distribution channel, say we will have multiple channels. So 10 AY 10, uh, 10, oh, sorry, 10 AYC, one distribution channel, at least alphanumeric, AY, okay, AYC, it's not allowed. So what we can do is
it's only 2-digit.
Yeah, one, let's say 10. Oh no, I need to provide a number. Okay, let's say AA. Let's create that. We need to create multiple distribution channel. So not confirmed. Yeah, this is okay. It is created. So we would have to create more distribution channels. At the moment, we have only one distribution channel. Let me see anything else. No. So what I will do, I will create one more distribution channel. Say distribution channel AB and earlier what did I give for distribution channel? This is not the one I gave actually. I gave this
one. 10 AYC.
So 10 AYC. Created one more. So there are 3 distribution channels available. Let it be. Now the next step is let's go create division. Amjit Ali, would you like to do it?
Yes.
I can share the link. That's what I was asking earlier also, so that you get an sorry, not on this. You get a practice.
Yeah, I'll make a hierarchy first. Then after I'll try to create the entire one. I mean, I'll try to create.
Oh, that's not possible. That's not possible because this particular project didn't have proper organizational structure. It wasn't completed. That is why we were able to do it. So what I am trying to say is just open the link I shared with you and share your screen, and remaining steps you can try it out.
I mean, from starting we can't create. Again, we can restructure that and create.
I don't think there is a possibility of delete. No, it is not available.
I mean here you are creating, right?
Yes, here I'm creating because we had this ZaranTech evaluation project which was available, but organizational structure was not set. So we were able to do all the steps.
I mean, I'll use the same ZaranTech 1 evaluation project and I'll try to create the.
So now you can. It's okay. You can create a company. Start from company code, purchasing organization, and so on. Okay.
Yes.
You can share your screen. I stop sharing. Click on settings.
Settings and switch project.
You will. Yeah, exactly. And select the project and switch to project. Good. Now you are in the project. So here all the steps are available. You can go to set up organizational structure, which is open. Click on that. Now it will load whatever we created. Then we can start doing the remaining. You can do everything. You can create the company code. You can create so you have to provide your ID. You have to select your company.
This is, I mean, it's already created, sir.
Yeah, I created yeah. You want to create a new, you can do that. Create new company options there, or else for your purpose only, I created 100 AY. So
No,
yeah,
I'll
you can create a new company. So organizational unit is created with a new company. Now click on plus. Everything is
okay.
done through the plus create only. On top,
Where
save,
can,
save.
yeah, this is,
So yeah, exactly. Next is the purchasing organization. Save it. Okay. Now enter the purchasing. So we do have two different organization company code. Or one. You can give one or two. So you can give organization. If you want only one, it is okay. Just like that. Say suppose your country has got multiple offices. You can select as one
no, I
or two
mean,
of that.
I just want 1000 A. 1000 A by C is the one which I created now.
Correct.
No, I created with the name Al Yamama Company.
That is company. This is selecting the
Yeah,
company code.
yeah,
So you
selecting the
create,
company code should be, right? I created the company, right? This is,
uh,
it
okay,
got
not
discarded or
saved.
not?
1 second. You have unsaved changes. Do you wish to discard? No. Cancel it. Cancel it. And then there is no option to save also. Now you try because click on create automatically creates it by saving.
No, I want to see the company code which I created so that I can assign it in this purchase organization to that company code.
Yeah, yeah,
I think
because we
I
it's
think
not
it's not
showing.
created.
Okay,
I'll discard
actually it
this.
is created. Okay, you can create a company code. Okay.
Here it is
Now
there.
it's
See?
yeah, right. So you can select that.
So this is what I'm creating again a company code. So I'll cancel this.
So yeah, you can cancel it. Now it is showing. So you created the company code. Next is the purchasing organization. Try it out now.
I'll create the same.
Mhm.
Hmm.
So
So
now it is
see,
not showing. I don't know why that is a problem.
I think we need
You just
to select. We
say
need to
no. You
select.
don't need to select. I think first time when it asked to discard, you said yes.
Yeah, yeah. First time I discarded that, but it already
But
got created.
oh yeah, actually it already got created. I don't know why this is not showing up. Um, you can create if you want another company code and try it out.
Can we search for that?
Oh yeah, definitely you can search it. So this is showing all the available company code. Can you check whether your company code is available by expanding the last? See, after simplified, yeah, correct. So we have
No.
only got 3 company code. 1710 was already created, and I created AYC
Yes.
1000.
1000.
Yeah. Mhm.
Yeah, it's not
And
created.
It's not created. So you have to create your company code and then the company. Now your company will be coming. That's what it is showing. The difference, you got it right. Earlier, when you created a company associated to the company code, company alone got created, not the company code. So now you select your company.
Sorry, I didn't get it. This is the company code, right? Select the company.
No.
Earlier, we
Uh,
created the company, not the company code. You mean?
what I'm saying is, when we were creating the company code, it asked us whether to choose the company code available or create it. So what you did, you created AYC Al Yamama
Alja Mama.
company, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is the company. If you look at the select company earlier, say suppose if you went on to the purchasing organization, it used to be select company code, but our company
Mm-hmm.
code was not created. So that is the difference. So now you select. You don't
Okay.
need to create any new company, because already created, right? That was
Yeah.
you created. So select
Yeah.
that. Mhm. Go down, create. So it says AYC is already there, because I might have given that AYC. So you
Mm-hmm.
should give something else.
Can we edit this or delete this?
Click on that. I'm not sure. No, 1 second. So it will discard the existing creation. Okay, let's click on the company code. No, that's not the. Click on that. It cannot be deleted, because we don't have the option to delete. So you can give some name, 3 character Yama, uh, from your company name. You can say YAM something.
No option here. Delete.
Yeah. There is an option to delete. You can delete.
Yes, right. So I'll create
Now
one
it's.
here.
Yeah, click on that. Create. So your company code, company are created. Now go to purchasing organization. Give name and select your organization. So the purchasing organization is created. Can you maximize that to see whether it is seen? Oh, you didn't. Okay. Company code I can see.
Define your default AYC. I want to save it.
Yeah, didn't you save? Or you it wasn't. It's in the state of edit. So we don't need to edit. So it's already been created actually. So go down. It should show underneath one of the organization. Yeah, that is the one, right? It is not showing for some reason. So you can go ahead and creating more. Yeah, maybe this. See, our search is set to organizational unit type company code. Can you remove company code from there?
Sorry?
In the search, yeah, we gave only company code. Now it'll come because earlier it was just showing all the company codes. Yeah, now hierarchy is showing. Maybe you can expand that. And yeah, you have to move a little bit. Okay. So this UI is not that intuitive. Anyways, our purchasing organization, yeah, you can see from here. There is only one purchasing organization. So you are looking at which one? I don't think you are looking at the right company code.
Mhm.
See, 1710 is what we are seeing. But in our case, you don't need to edit it, but you need to select that particular one. So do
Where can we select that? We need to go back. I mean, where we can go back to select our company code so that.
okay. Let's go to the search option. You see search option, right?
Where?
Oh, even then, okay. Click on the search. We'll see where we have any option to do.
Where is the search?
It was earlier above. It was above. Zoom. Actually, you can zoom in, right? The zoom in button. Yeah, we got it. So in the organizational structure type, select company code and purchasing organization. And then in the search option, give your company code name, AYC. Okay, now
This is also the one you created. You want me to confirm here? Under this AYC Al Yamama, there are two company codes, two purchasing organizations. The one you created, the one I created.
so now you can see your purchasing organization unit,
Yes.
right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yes, and after that, you can just complete the activity. So all the activities will be completed.
Okay.
So
shall I need to confirm here one, or else I need to create all the hierarchy and then complete this?
yeah, that's what I said. You create plant, you create storage location, you create distribution channel, division, everything. Then everything is done. You can complete it. Or if you don't complete it also, it's okay.
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 No
So far,
Okay.
is it good, right? You were able to
Yeah.
at least do the organizational structure,
Yes.
right?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.